Okay class, sorry, the video got cut again, so I will divide the video into part 1 and part 2. This is part 2 for question on page 4. So volume of cylinder. What is the volume of cylinder? Volume of cylinder will be equivalent to the volume of the entire solid we found earlier, right? The entire solid is 4875. 4875. Of course, you use 4875 pi as the volume. Don't use 15300 because this is the rounded off answer. It will not be accurate. So 4875 pi. And it's also smart to live in pi. Later this side, right? I will have another pi. Then you can cancel both sides. Volume of cylinder. Can you remember the formula? Good. Pi r square times height. So pi r square times height is this. What did it say about the radius? They did say, right? They did say it's 12.5 cm. Then check for the previous question it's also in cm, right? cm. Okay, good to go. I can just write this here. 12.5 square h equals to 4875 pi. I mentioned already, both sides have pi cancel away. H equals to 4875 divided by 12.5 square. Thirty-one point two cm. Yes. Okay. The height. Last but not least, the surface area of the cylinder. Leave your answer in terms of pi. Oh, so fortunately earlier on I have okay, this will not be useful at all. So sorry, you don't need that. This is a brand new question talking about cylinder. Surface area of the cylinder, leaving your answer in terms of pi. Do I have all the information? Let's see, I have the radius 12.5. Now I have the height 31.2. Surface area shouldn't be a problem now. Okay. Surface area. Poor handwriting. Of cylinder equals to pi r square. How many times of pi r square circle? 1 on top, 1 below. 2 times of it. Plus the curved surface area of cylinder. You can remember what I mentioned earlier on. Paper, you roll, you get a cylinder. Correct? I did it before. So it will be circumference. Circumference, you open up. This will be the circumference, right? Circumference times the height. Circumference is 2 pi r. Height is this. Height. Let's go substitute in terms of pi. So I don't sub in the pi as any value. Let's leave it as pi. R is 12.5. 2 pi 12.5. Height is 31.2. Found earlier. So if your previous answer is wrong, then we will have error carry forward mark here. So this is 312. Right. 0.5 plus, oh, this is not easy. 780 pi. They want in terms of pi, so it's 109. 1092.5 pi. Don't round to specific because they want exactly in terms of pi. Clear? Pause the video if you need more time. If not, let's proceed on to the next question. This question over here. I should be able to do this quite fast. Let's see. A cylinder has a radius of 6 cm. Okay, and a height of 15. A hole in the shape of a cone is bored into one of its ends. Bored, that means you drill a hole in the shape of a cone. If the cone has a radius of 3 cm, find the volume of the remaining solid. Okay, not difficult. Cylinder minus the cone. But look carefully. This is radius. Then 6 cm. This is also radius. So read very carefully. Okay, sometimes they say diameter. Okay, so do be careful. Alright, so the idea will be volume of remaining solid. Volume equals to volume of cylinder minus volume of cone. Volume of cylinder pi r square h minus away volume of cone. 1/3 what? 1/3 pi r square h. Okay, but to be honest, my presentation is not good. Why? Not because of my ugly handwriting, but because both R are different. Okay, this R and this R are different. What? This is 6, this should be 3. Alright, the height is the same, so I can use the same H. So let me change this R, because presentation is very important. Pi r square, let me use capital R to represent the radius for 6 cm. It's different radius, right? Okay, this is one big circle for cylinder, but for the cone is only one small circle, so it's different radius. So pi 6 square, height is the same, 15, minus away 1/3 pi 1/3 pi 3 square, height is 15. Did they say it in terms of pi? They didn't, but let's evaluate first. In terms of pi first, then later you evaluate. It will be easier, it will be neater. Pi, you see? So much neater. 40 minus 45 should be 495 pi. The question never say leave in terms of pi, so don't leave in terms of pi. It will be 1560 cm cube. 3SF. Okay, very good. If you need more time, pause the video. If not, I proceed on. I have time to do the one more question. Question 8. A solid metal ball of radius 3 cm is melted and recast to form a solid circular cone of radius 4 cm. Find the height of the cone. Okay, I just draw randomly first so that you can visualize. It may not be accurate. A solid metal ball. So metal ball, it looks like that. I draw this so that you can imagine it's a sphere. The radius is about 3 cm. Then you melt this ball and recast, then you form another shape. Form a solid cone of radius 4 cm. Radius, so you recast and form a cone. The cone radius is bigger. Not drawn to scale 4. So they want to know what is the height of this cone. Okay, they want to know what is the height of this cone. Is that clear? Obviously, they're asking for perpendicular height. If they want a slant height, they will say slant height. Now they want the perpendicular height of the cone, 90 degrees. Okay, so straightforward. This volume and this volume must be the same, right? Yes. Okay, so I just have to equate the volume, but both radius is different. Both radius different, so I must use this radius as maybe capital R, this radius as small r. So what's the formula? Volume of ball must be equal to volume of cone. Makes sense, right? Because I melt then recast, so the volume must be the same. Volume of ball is 4/3 pi r. Use capital R since it's the okay. Never mind. This R is smaller. I use small r, but it doesn't really matter lah. 4/3 pi r cube for the sphere. Cone will be 1/3 pi capital R square times height. I use different R because the radius are different. I said before already. 1/3 pi R square height. Okay, pi R square height. Sub in whatever value you know. Pi. Actually, I should not. I should cancel away pi, right? Yeah, both sides have pi. Cancel away. Cancel away. So silly of me. Don't have to write pi anymore. The R is 3, radius is 3, there, 3. So this is a good trick. Write both expression here, then you cancel, then evaluate. Then H I'll get the answer. Useful trick. Capital R, the radius here is 4. Height. Evaluate properly, please. So 4 times 57 divided by 3. What did I get here? What happened? This is 36. Here, 16/3, 16/3 H. So H will be 36 divided by 16/3, right? Or times 3/16. Both way you can see it. Not a very nice number, but it's 6.75 cm. Yay. Done. Interesting question.